Welcome to my YouTube channel, Daily Facts Worth O, and do like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let's start video. Did you know? What are some psychological facts about love? Number 1. Talkative girl and silent boy makes the best couple. Number 2. Most of the people can't eye contact with their crush. Number 3. Tears is the purest sign of true love. Doesn't matter whether it's boy or girl. Number 4. Love is a drug. Once you have it, it's hard to stop. Number 5. When you love someone from the heart, even the smallest things about them start to matter to you. Number 6. Holding a partner hand relieves pain and stress. Number 7. After breakup, girls moved on fast than boys. It's a fact. Number 8. Small chats and talks weaken your bond. Number 9. The more you ignore the one you like, the more you will fall for them. Number 10. Not everyone gets first love.